Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we are making sardine namero. Namero is a dish made from chopped sardines, involving chopping ingredients such as green onions, perilla leaves, and stuff like that. Mix them with 1 teaspoon of miso and a 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce, and complete it by sprinkling some sesame seed on top as garnish. The dish is pretty similar to chopped horse mackerel, and you can make namero with horse mackerel as well. It would taste good, and to make it would be much easier than you think. So why don't you give it a try? Well, the main ingredients for sardine namero are only 3. The first one is of course sardines. I'll use 2 fish to serve 1 person this time. The second one is about 4 inches long green onion. The third one is perilla leaves. I believe 2 to 3 leaves would be enough. Plus you need half teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of miso, 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce, and a bit of sesame seeds for garnish. Well, you got only 4 steps to make namero. Step number 1 is to cut green onion, perilla leaves, and grate the ginger. I highly recommend to do it before you clean the fish. Step number 2 is to clean the fish. Since sardines are so soft, you can clean it without a knife. Step number 3 is to chop the ingredients and mix them with miso, soy sauce, and grated ginger. Lastly, just sprinkle some sesame seed on it and plate it. Sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? Alright, let's get started. Alright, what are we going to step number 1? Step number 1 is to cut the ingredients into small pieces. I'll start it with green onions. Right, give it a nice rinse to it, and then cut it in small pieces like this. Okay, it's cut. So why don't we go on to perilla leaf stuff? Perilla leaves. Give it a nice rinse to it. Remove the stamens and remove the excess water with paper towel. The other side for the other side. I'll keep the biggest one to plate, and I'll cut only 2 perilla leaves into pieces. And then go to ginger stuff. Remove this. Just keep it. You can grate it when you mix it with the sardine. Just keep it on a small plate. Alright, why don't we go on to step number 2? Alright, why don't we go on to step number 2? Step number 2 is to clean the fish. I said you don't need a knife to clean the fish, but to remove the head, just use the knife. It will be nice. You can use your nail as a knife. Remove the guts inside. Do it for both fish. You can open it with your finger. And after you remove the guts, give it a nice rinse. And you can remove the bone with your finger. You can open it and put your finger below the bone, and it will be removed. It goes like this, right? Okay, you removed it like this. Do the same thing to the other fish. Use your thumb like a knife. Yeah. Open it. Yeah, it's well done. Yeah. It will be like this. So why don't you give it a nice rinse to it. The cutting board as well. Yeah, it's like this. Why don't you remove excess water with the paper towel. Paper towel helps. The other side.
Okay, it's great. And remove the skin. It's peeled, right. And remove the tail. Okay, it's ready now. So why don't you go on to step number 3. Alright, why don't we go on to step number 3. Step number 3 is to chop the sardine into pieces and mix it with other ingredients. And just mix it with the cut green onion and perilla leaves. Finely chop it. Grate the ginger. And put the miso as well. Add in soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon. Just a bit, it would be nice. 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah, the dish is almost done. Sprinkle some sesame seed on it. Give it a final mix to it. Okay. Alright, here you are. Sardine namero is ready now.
Alright, now you know to make sardine namero is much easier than you think. So why don't you give it a try at your home? Okay, just push thumbs up button, leave some messages down below, and subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Alright, take good care. Arigato. See you. Bye.